Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Millet in my mama's healthy kitchen. Today we are going to make Ragi Sesame Prawn Sticks. For this recipe, we need 250 to 300 grams of prawn in a bowl. In it, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we are going to add juice of half a lemon, continuing with 1 tablespoon of oil, and then with chopped coriander leaves. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala, then chopped pieces of green chilies, now add 1 tablespoon of curd and mix all the ingredients well with the prawn. Now we are continuing with the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then again with the process of mixing. As soon as you are done with the mixing process, with the help of a plate, close the ball as per the marinating process. Now set the stove on and take a pan on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to it. After 20 to 30 minutes of the marination process, you can take the prawn out and add 3 tablespoons of ragi flour into it. Now mix the ingredients with the prawn well again. Make sure that the ragi flour particles are reached to each piece of prawn. Now using long thin sticks that you usually get easily from the markets. Using it, we are going to vertically pierce the prawns into it. We are continuing the same process with all the prawns. Now take white sesame in another plate and cover the prawn sticks with it. Continue the same process with all the prawn sticks to cover its outer layer with the help of sesame. That too white sesame. After the process is completed, we are back to the pan where the oil is heating up. Now place the prawn sticks into it. Be careful not to burn your hands. You can place the prawn sticks in such a manner that each prawn is reaching the heat. The prawn sticks, in it you will find that after the process is completed, the outer part would be crispy and the inner part would be soft and tender. When you notice that the white sesame turned golden brown, you can take the prawn sticks out of the pan. As usual, you can garnish it with the help of small pieces of capsicums and onions. If you are new in the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy your delicacy. Thanks for watching. Bye.